Hello, I'm Dr. Philip Fowler, founder of AntiAging Northwest. I'd like to take a minute to talk to you tonight about our company and what separates us from other companies who do similar things to what we do. Our company was founded 13 years ago by myself as a family practice, and it's evolved into this beautiful hormone replacement therapy practice that offers the convenience of telemedicine across the state of Washington and across the state of Oregon. We specialize in customer experience. We specialize in giving our patients the experience of a personalized doctor visit. I have a real and genuine relationship with each and every one of my patients. And the way that all begins is with our free 10-minute consultation. You'll get myself or Dr. Beck or Dr. Amy on the phone, and we'll go through your symptoms and what seems to be bothering you, and we'll start to suggest to you how we can possibly get the wheels turning to get you to reach your health goals. Often that begins with lab work. We don't like to do our initial visit without lab work. It seems to me a waste of your time for us to do a whole entire visit for me to say, well, let's order some lab work and see what we find out. So we like to do that following the free 10-minute consultation. We'll get all your lab work ordered. Then when we sit down at the initial visit where you're spending money, at that point we can actually take some action. We put our customers first, and that's what makes the big difference here at AntiAging Northwest. We take each and every one of our patients as a personal relationship and do our very best to help each and every patient reach their personal health goals. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you, and stop by antiagingnorthwest.com to schedule your free 10-minute consult with healthcare providers.